Hey guys, welcome to my Phone4kash review. In this video, I'm going to explain to you everything you need to know about Phone4kash because there are many affiliates out there who will try to sell you this product without actually knowing if this is something that can help you when it comes to your online business. In this video, I'm going to be very transparent to you guys so you can have an informed decision if this is something that you need to invest or not. Right? So basically, Phone4kash is a web application that's gonna allow you to create mobile app without being a programmer or professional coder. All right. Now, there are a couple of problems with this web application, and I'm going to show you that later in this review video. But first, guys, let me show you my bonuses that I've prepared for you to solve those problems that you may encountered with this software. All right, so my first bonus for you guys, if you choose to pick up Phone4kash using the link down in the description of this video, my first bonus for you guys is Webby app. This is another application that's gonna allow you to create another um, mobile app. Right, you can create mobile app or any, you can turn any website, the WordPress website, into a fully fledged mobile application. All right, so that's the bonus number one. A bonus number two, guys, is Sendeo, which is an email marketing software. You can use this, guys, to you know to build your list, so you guys don't have to pay for any monthly payment for your autoresponder. All right, you can also use this software for for in your Phone4kash, because you're going to reach out to local businesses if you wanted to sell the apps that you create using Phone4kash. And this right here, this send your email marketing software that I'm gonna give to you guys is going to help you to do that. All right, because you're gonna need an email marketing software or autoresponder to do that. All right, so my bonus number three, guys, is my virtual tours. You can create a virtual reality using this software. Um, these right here, you can add this as a service to local businesses. Um, Let me show you how this works, so you guys can can see how this can help you when it comes to your services, if you wanted to sell services to local businesses. Right, my virtual tours is gonna allow you to create a virtual reality, especially for real estate agent or real estate brokers. Right, I'm sorry about my internet, it's kind of laggy, but let me wait while this thing is loading. Alright, so basically, guys, you know what, you can check it out, because my internet is kind of slow. I There's a link in here, you can check it out to yourself, because I'm gonna put this document down in the description of this video, so you guys can go directly to this document and check all the bonuses that I've prepared for you. Right, so let me close this for now because it's taking too much time. Yeah, so that's my bonus, guys. You can also add this as service if you do, if you wanna sell services to local businesses. My bonus number four is Videomatic. Videomatic, guys, is a web application as well that it's gonna allow you to create an interactive videos that you can also sell as a service to local businesses, or you can use it to your personal use. All right, so I'm gonna also put a link on this so you guys can see. These right here are premium products, these are not crappy products. Right, the if you take a look at the price for the Syndio, let me go to the pricing page of Syndio so you guys can see. I hope I can load this website. so you guys can see. Right, Syndio is right. Syndio is a premium product, right? With this product, guys, you don't have to pay for any, any autoresponder, right? So this product costs $87, and you're gonna get access to this for free if you choose to pick up Phone4kash using the link down in the description of this video, which will take you to this document right here where you can learn more about the bonuses that I prepared for you. All right, so yeah, you can check it out. My bonus number 5 is Videos Agency. Uh, this is another cloud-based software that allows you to create um, service-based local videos, which you can also sell those videos that you create here as another service. If you wanted to sell your mobile application to local, you can add this as a service as well, right? My bonus number 6 is Easy Banners Pro. This software is gonna allow you to create a banners that if you wanted to run ads, this is very useful for you guys. So you can easily create ads for your campaign. My bonus number 7 is a logo studio. This will allow you to create logos. Um, so you can also sell this as a service to uh, local businesses. Um, bonus number 7 is VIP promo pages, right? Uh, no, this is not VIP. This is bid promo. Bid promo pages. Bid promo pages is a premium page builder that comes with a tens of ready-made template, that you can use to, if you wanted to create a sales page, then this is very useful as well. Now, my special bonus for you guys is one-on-one video call, right? Because um, one of the things that you may encounter with this software right here is traffic, right? Now, traffic is one of the problems that many people are facing, right? Because yes, you have a software, you have a product, you have this product that you can create um, web application or mobile application, but you don't have a customers to your business, right? Now, if you choose to pick up Phone4kash using my link or the link down in the description of this video, I'm going to help you in a one-on-one video call where I'm gonna help you guys I'm gonna help you guys to um, find clients that that you can sell, so you guys can make money with this program, with this software, right? Because you wanted to make money. That is why I'm going to be giving you a chance to to have on a call, a one-on-one video call, so I can help you with those problems you are facing if you are trying to sell services to local businesses, so you guys can actually be making money as soon as possible with this software that you are going to invest, which is Phone4kash. All right, in this video call I'm going to be showing you a secret strategy, and I'm gonna give you a template that you can use. You can copy and paste that template that I'm going to give you, so you guys can actually be making money as soon as possible. Right, I'm gonna show you where to get clients. Right, I'm gonna show you a strategy where to get clients, and I'm gonna give you a copy and paste template that you can use to generate leads, to generate clients if you wanted to sell Phone4kash as a service to local businesses. All right, now here are the features when it comes to Phone4kash. So um, this is a fully based mobile app builder, done for you template in multiple niches. So basically there's already templates inside of this software that you can choose, um, to use as a building block, so you don't have to start from scratch. All right. Another feature is, there's also a ready-made website that you can use, as your portfolio. So because if you wanted to sell a service to local businesses, you need to have a website. That is why there's included a done for you website that you can use. You can basically install that website into your domain, and then your website is ready to showcase your services using this Phone4kash software. All right. Another feature is you can turn any website or web page into a fully fledged mobile application. So you can basically turn any website. You can just copy the link of that website and turn that website into a mobile application instantly. All right. So this compatible with iOS and Android, and you don't have to pay for this for monthly payment. You can just pay this for one time, but there is an upsell though. Let me show you that later on in this video. What are the upsells, so you guys can have an informed decision if you guys wanted to upsell your account, wanted to upgrade your account or not. All right. So what else? It's super easy to create in because it is a drag and drop editor, so you can create apps super fast. What else? You can use your phone or your computer to create an app. um, yeah, you don't have to you don't have to be a programmer, or you don't need to learn to code to create these apps, because it's super easy. It's basically drag and drop, so you can drag and drop some features. And um, what else? Yeah, so that's basically, so here are the steps that you need to take in order for this to work. So step one, log into your cloud-based app. So it is a cloud-based application, so you don't need to install it on your computer. Step two, choose a template that as a building block, so you guys don't have to start from scratch. Step three, blast any offer or link to millions of phones. So basically, once you've created your application, you're going to use the push notification features inside of Phone4kash to to blast any offer. So basically, you need traffic for this, right? That is why I am offering you a one-on-one video call to you know to show you a secret strategy where to find clients. All right. So that's what else? Yes, you can send unlimited notifications straight to apps or offers, discounts, or affiliate links. Um, so so I think that that would be my review. So here are the upsells that you might be considering if you wanted to upgrade your account. So upgrade number one, guys, is um, $36, which is a pro version of the account of your account. I'm not really sure what's included in the pro version, but the price for this is 36.93. Right. Upgrade number two is actually, guys, um, if you refuse to upgrade your account, there will be a downsell, which is $26.93. So what you can do, guys, is to refuse the first upgrade, and then a pop-up or another offer will appear, and then you can get the $36 for $26. So you can save $10 for this if you choose the downsell. All right. Upgrade number three is 36.93. I'm not sure what's included in this because it is not included in the document. Upgrade number four is 26.93. Right. So upgrade number five is reseller. So you'll be able to resell uh, this product you wanted to resell this product. Upgrade number 6, this is a downsell for the upgrade number 5. So you can get the 197 for just $97. All right. So you can, yeah, save a lot of money with this, downsell right here. Upgrade number 7 is, I am not sure what this is all about, IMXDS, because I am not a programmer, right? So if you guys need more information or need more questions about it, just leave it in the comment section below. But this is something that you wanna invest. This is something that you're interested in. I'm gonna put a link down in the description of this video so you guys can pick it up. Uh, Once you click that link in the description of this video, this will take you to this document right here where you can check out all the bonuses that are prepared for you guys, so you can take advantage of this and make a lot of money, add as a service to all the bonuses that I've given to you. All right, so all you have to do is click on the link in the description of this video and then pick up you know um, this, and you can get instant access in this to this bonuses inside of your Warrior Plus account. And then yeah, I'm hoping that you guys will pick this up and see you on a one-on-one video call so I can show you a strategy on how to make money with this Phone4kash software. All right, so that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this review, and I hope to see you. Bye for now.